What's the meaning of atomize? Atomize. Atomize.
Atomize. Atomize. The word atomize means to break something down into its individual atoms or tiny particles, or to completely separate something into small parts. The result of atomizing can vary depending on what is being atomized. For example, if a solid material like wood is atomized, it will break down into small fragments that may have different properties than the original material. In the context of chemistry, atomizing a substance can turn it into a gas or plasma, which can have new and distinct properties as well. Overall, atomizing involves breaking something down into smaller, more manageable pieces.